Hi, have you ever wondered what the meaning of impact really is? Have you ever wondered why many people in humanitarian world always mention the word impact in projects or programs? What does impact mean? Well, not to be too complicated with difficult to understand definitions, impact is simply a word used to describe change. However, it isn't just any ordinary change. It is change at a larger, grander, bigger scale than ever imagined. For example, today in this world, governments world over are pumping huge amounts of money in order to end poverty. We all know that poverty cannot simply be eradicated in a year or even in 2 years or even in 10 years. The thing is, to end poverty, it will take time. Which brings me to another point. When we say impact, it is long-term change, which does not just happen within a short period of time. Here's something I need to inform in this monitoring and evaluation course for April 2019. Impact can get really complicated, and especially if you were trying to measure it and attribute it to one particular intervention. Why is that the case? Take, for instance, when it comes to poverty eradication, eradicating it cannot just be attributed to one intervention because in reality, there are many players. In practice, if poverty reduced in a certain country, it is not just because of projects implemented by the government of that country, but it could also be because of private players such as NGOs and businesses. Today, it is very difficult to report globally that poverty is at this certain percentage because sometimes it isn't that easy. What does impact mean? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video. Be sure to access M&M Consultancy for $5 by following the steps below. See you on the other side.